Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending the time you come across this video. Thank you, wonderful family, for subscribing. Please like, share, and click on the notification button to know when I drop a new video. If today is your first time of bumping into my channel, please do not make it your last. Please, I'm pleading with you. Today I brought to you another very good project that you can mine. Today we are talking about Byte Blockchain. Byte Blockchain. This is not a meme coin project, it's a blockchain. So when you get your referral link, it's very easy. When you get your referral link, just do well. If you are using your phone, which you are going to make use of Mrs. browser or your Chrome, depending on the browser that you want to make use of, just go to search button, paste the particular link that you have, the referral link that you have. When you paste it, just go ahead and connect to your Google. When you connect to your Google, then you come here. You can click on the three dotted line by the right hand side of your phone and scroll down, then add to your screen. When you add it to your screen, it will be very easy for you to do this project. Then come down here, join them on their Telegram channel and follow them on their X. Then you can start your mining rate. You can click here, it will start mining for you. Here you can copy your referral link. You can get your referral link from here. Here you can swap, but I don't advise you to swap at this early stage. You can swap your Byte from Byte to USDT, as you can see. So that's about this particular project. If you want to go through their their white paper, you can click here and see what they have on their white paper. You can go through here and see what they have on their white paper. I think my network is somehow down. Yes, this is what they have on their white paper. You can see it. Go through their white paper and see that this project, they are well prepared. So I will advise you that you start this project now that is very much early. Join now and secure your spots. Understand? Please, thank you for watching my video and stay back. Do not leave. Thank you and remain blessed. Bye. See you in my next video.